part because in AS physics, the nuclear physics is a very scoring part, right? It is often the last question and you can easily score marks. Okay, starting off, the first thing that we will be discussing is the Rutherford scattering experiment, right? So, what was the Rutherford experiment? In 1911, basically, Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment led to a model of the atom with a positively charged nucleus, right? So, according to this scattering experiment, what were the assumptions? What were the conclusions? They came to know that there is a positively charged nucleus, first of all, right, containing all the positive charge and all the mass of the atom. So the nucleus has the mass as well, and this nucleus is surrounded by the smaller negatively charged particle. So this is surrounded by a less mass, smaller negatively charged particle. So how they come to know this? It is also known as the gold foil experiment, as you must have known. So this is the gold nucleus, right? What happened is that the particle, it was hit and then it was reflected back. Then similarly, right? So these were the directions of the particle. So what was the result? The results of the alpha scattering experiments were, number one, first of all, so vast majority of particles pass straight through the foil with virtually no deflection. So this is important. Then a few of particles were deflected through angles greater than 90. And the next thing, that is the most important thing, is that the alpha particles are positively charged and have a mass that is 8,000 times that is of an electron. And the large angle deflection